Casting grinding is a critical post-processing step in the casting process, primarily used to remove rough surfaces and defect from casting, ensuring they meet the design dimensional accuracy and surface quality. It is an indispensable procedure after casting, directly impacting the appearance, performance, and subsequent processing steps, for example, coating, assembly, of casting. The key functions of casting grinding include removing surface defects, enhancing surface finish, ensuring dimensional accuracy, preventing potential issues.